Hey guys, we got something new. Actually, two new things. First is my new cart. I've been wanting a cart for so long. Before we look at the cart in detail, check out the cute puppy to the side. Look at him. That's Jacob McCandles. He's my baby, and he's playing with his bone. He just barely started liking that bone too. It's weird. But back to the cart. It has so many awesome reasons why I love it. I love these little cups that I put a bunch of my brushes in. These little hooks that I can't figure out what to do with them yet, but I will. I'm sure I will. And it's got 3 tiers. So right here, I've just got some simple, like I've been using those painting gels a lot. Some of my gels, the poly gels I was recently using, some more brushes. Then down here, we've got a few more things like pigment powders and some new stuff and all of my top coats. And that bottom shelf has got my nail tips. And guys, I'm not even sure I'm done organizing yet. So there could be a new video coming up soon telling you how I'm reorganizing. So stay tuned for that. Hit that subscribe button. I love this cart. They are actually coming down in price. When I was first starting to look for carts, they were all over $100, and I was like, that seems ridiculous. My daughter bought this for me for my birthday. I don't know how much she spent on it. That's not my business. But lately, I've been seeing them anywhere from $25 to $35. So if you've been wanting a cart, keep your eye open. They're out there. Before I got the cart for my birthday, I've been looking for them at the Goodwills. Never found them, but my daughter was at Goodwill the other day and found this cute desk that looks practically brand new. It has this cute little hole here so that I don't know if it's cute, but it's a little hole and you can put your cords in there. I actually have my light coming out of it as well because there's a nice little place to connect it to. I'm not sure that it's the right depth for doing somebody else's nails, but working on sets like I do, it's perfect. It's not so wide that a lot of stuff can get cluttered on there. It forces me to keep it more cleaned up, which I'm really enjoying. And it has this great little drawer. I love it. I got these little organizational things as well from my daughter for my birthday, as well as the ones you saw in the cart. Get yourself organizational things. It matters. It makes a difference. When I didn't have them, it was harder, and I didn't even realize it was harder until I made it easier for myself. So take that step and make it easier for yourself. But these are just the 2 things that I got recently. This is my little setup right now. I'm just showing you, but this is about to change. So when I change it, which is going to be very soon, if you'd like to see a little short video about how I do that, let me know. We'll make sure we do that. I'm really glad that these 2 new things are in my collection because it's just so nice when things are easy to get to and easy to organize, and it frees your mind to be more creative. And that's how I feel when I use these things, much more creative. Guys, thanks so much for coming by. We're going to see you in the next video. Mwah! Bye-bye.